At a food stall in a charity fundraiser, Amy bought 3 pies, 1 pizza and 1 tart for €22. Ben paid €17 for 1 pie, 1 pizza and 2 tarts, while Chris spent €25 on 2 pies, 2 pizzas and 1 tart. Find the cost of a pie, the cost of a pizza, the cost of a tart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let X equal the pies, Y equal the pizzas, and Z equal the tarts. So equation A is going to be representing Amy. So Amy bought 3 pies. So if X equals pies, then it's going to be 3X. So 3X. She bought 1 pizza. So if Y equals the pizzas, then that's going to be plus Y, or plus 1Y. And 1 tart. So Z equals the tarts, so that's plus Z, or plus 1Z. So 3 pies, 3X, plus 1 pizza, plus Y, plus 1 tart, plus Z is equal to €22, so equals 22. So 3X plus Y plus Z is equal to 22. So this equation represents Amy. Ben paid €17 for 1 pie, 1 pizza and 2 tarts. So equation B represents Ben. So 1 pie is going to be X, 1 pizza is going to be plus Z, and 2 tarts is going to be plus 2Z, and that's all going to be €17, so equal to 17. So Ben's equation is X plus Y plus 2Z equals 17. And then Chris's equation is going to be called equation C. So he spent €25 on 2 pies, so 2X represents 2 pies, 2 pizzas, so 2Y represents 2 pizzas, and 1 tart. So Z represents the tart, and this is equal to €25, so equals 25. So now we have 3 equations in terms of X, Y, and Z, and we're going to solve for X, Y, and Z. So I'm going to take equation A and equation B, and what I'm going to do is multiply equation A by minus 2. So 3X multiplied by minus 2 is minus 6X, Y multiplied by minus 2 is minus 2Y, Z multiplied by minus 2 is minus 2Z, 22 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 44. So now we can eliminate the Z's, because minus 2Z plus 2Z will cancel. So minus 6X plus X is minus 5X, minus 2Y plus Y is minus Y, minus 44 plus 17 is minus 27. So now I have one equation in terms of X and Y. Next I'm going to take equation A and equation C. I'm going to multiply equation C by minus 1. So 2X multiplied by minus 1 is minus 2X. 2Y multiplied by minus 1 is minus 2Y. Z multiplied by minus 1 is minus Z. 25 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 25. So now my Z's will cancel. 3X minus 2X is X. Y minus 2Y is minus Y. 22 minus 25 is minus 3. So now I have another equation in terms of X and Y. So I'm going to take both of the equations up here, and I'm going to multiply the second equation by minus 1. So X multiplied by minus 1 is minus X. Minus Y multiplied by minus 1 is plus Y. And minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 is plus 3. Now my Y's will cancel. Minus 5X minus X is minus 6X. Minus 27 plus 3 is minus 24. Minus 24 divided by minus 6 is 4. So X is equal to 4, so the pie costs €4. Then I'm going to take one of the equations, I'm going to go for this one here, and I'm going to substitute the X as 4. So I have 4 minus Y equals minus 3. So I'm going to say minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. So if minus Y is minus 7, then Y is going to be 7. So the pizza costs €7. So now I have X is 4, Y is 7, and I'm going to take one of the original equations. I'm going to go for the top one. So 3X plus Y plus Z equals 22. I swap the X for 4 with brackets around it. I swap the Y for 7. 3 by 4 is 12, and 12 plus 7 is 19. And 22 minus 19 is 3. So Z is equal to 3, so the tarts cost €3. A father's age in years is 3 times the sum of the ages in years of his son and his daughter. The sum of the father's and the son's age is 9 times the daughter's age. The sum of all 3 ages is 40. Find the age of each person. So a father's age is going to represent F, is 3 times the sum of the ages of a son and daughter. So his son is going to represent S and his daughter is going to represent D. So the sum of their ages is going to be S plus D. So the son's age plus the daughter's age is 3 times. So 3 multiplied by the son's age plus the daughter's age. So the father's age is 3 times the son's age plus the daughter's age. So F is equal to 3 times S plus D. The sum of the father's and the son's age is 9 times the daughter's age. So it's going to be F plus S. So the sum of the father's age plus the son's age. And that's going to be 9 times the daughter's age. So F plus S is equal to 9D. And then the sum of all 3 ages is 40. So the father's age plus the son's age plus the daughter's age is 40. So F plus S plus D is 40. So now we have 3 equations in terms of F, S, and D. And what we're going to do is rearrange them so that the variables are on the left and the constants are on the right. And then we're going to solve for F, S, and D. So F equals 3 times S plus D. 3 times S is 3S. 3 times D is 3D. And I'm going to bring the 3S and the 3D over the equal sign and they become minuses. So I have F minus 3S minus 3D is equal to 0. Then I have F plus S is equal to 9D. I'm going to bring the 9D over the equal sign. It becomes minus 9D. So I get F plus S minus 9D is equal to 0. And my third equation already has my letters on the left and my constant on the right. So I have 3 equations. I'm going to label them A, B, and C. I'm going to take 2 of the equations. I'm going to go for A and C. And I'm going to write them down here. And I'm going to multiply equation C by minus 1. So F times minus 1 is minus F. S times minus 1 is minus S. D times minus 1 is minus D. I'm going to cancel out the F's. Minus 3S minus S is minus 4S. Minus 3D minus D is minus 4D. 0 minus 40 is minus 40. So now I have one equation in terms of S and D. Now I'm going to take 2 more of the equations. I'm going to go for equation B and equation C. So I've written them down here. I'm going to multiply equation C by minus 1. F times minus 1 is minus F. S times minus 1 is minus S. D times minus 1 is minus D. 40 times minus 1 is minus 40. The F's and the S's will cancel. Minus 9D minus D is minus 10D. 0 minus 40 is minus 40. Minus 40 divided by minus 10 is 4. So D is equal to 4. So the daughter is 4 years old. Now I'm going to substitute the D into one of the equations. So I'm going to go for this one here. So I have minus 4S minus 4D equals minus 40. Swap the D for 4 with brackets around it. Minus 4 by 4 is minus 16. And minus 40 plus 16 is minus 24. Minus 24 divided by minus 4 is 6. So S is equal to 6. The son is 6 years old. Now I'm going to take the D and the S. I'm going to substitute them into one of the original equations. I'm going to go for this one here. So F minus 3S minus 3D equals 0. I swap the S for 6 with brackets around it. I swap the D for 4 with brackets around it. Minus 3 by 6 is minus 18. Minus 3 by 4 is minus 12. Minus 18 minus 12 is minus 30. I'm going to bring the minus 30 over the equal sign. It becomes plus 30. So F is equal to 30. So the father is 30 years old. So the ages. The father is 30 years old. The son is 6 years old. And the daughter is 4 years old.